You asked and we answered. We are bringing the very first Xiaomi review onto the channel, and no, we are not starting where you'd think we would. There are some devices that don't get a lot of attention as far as reviews are concerned, especially in the budget segment. So when the opportunity came, here we are. Xiaomi has an interesting history in Kenya, but no more about it in another video. For now, let's see what you get from the latest entry into the market by Xiaomi. From TechWiz, I'm Martin Githenji with an unboxing and first look at the Redmi A1 Plus. Let's take it and go. In the box, we have the phone, a 10-watt charging adapter, a USB cable, SIM ejector tool, and documentation. Our unit comes in black with a textured feel to it and has options of light green and light blue colors. Right under the dual camera module is the fingerprint scanner. At the bottom is the microphone, micro USB port, and headphone jack, while at the top sits the speaker. On the right are the volume rocker buttons and power buttons. Coming to the front is the 6.52 screen with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels with a selfie camera notch. The Redmi A1 Plus is powered by MediaTek's Helio A22 chipset, paired with 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage. It comes with a dual SIM card tray with options for expandable storage. It comes running Android 12 Go, which is a light version of Google's latest mobile OS. It also runs on MIUI 12. With Android 12 Go, you get the sweetness of Material U design, which extracts its colors from your wallpaper and applies it across the phone's components to personalize your phone. It's a handy phone and will let you play light games and light multitasking. There is only so far you can push it. This is a phone for very light usage and tasks. For cameras, we have a dual setup that includes an 8 megapixels camera and an additional 0.3 megapixels camera and a 5 megapixels selfie camera. Camera modes include photo, video, portrait, and more to play around with. Our full camera assessment will be in our full review, so stay tuned for that. Keeping the lights on is a 5000 mAh battery that charges up with a 10-watt adapter. It is a slow charger, so you'll have to give it time to fully charge. Redmi A1 Plus has impressive battery life and will push up to 2 days on moderate use and a day on heavy use. We were getting between 7 and 8 hours of on-screen time. Xiaomi's latest offering brings in a nice design, good battery life, and okay performance thanks to Android 12 Go. The Xiaomi Redmi A1 Plus goes for 10,499 or 10,500 and is available at Xiaomi's official experience stores and online platforms like Jumia. What do you think about this phone? Yes, it is at below, I didn't say below 10,000, but it's 10,500. So below 10,500? Yes. But what do you think about it? Is it a phone that you'd like to experience? Is it a phone that you'd like? Please give us your comments in the comment section down below. And make sure to like and share this video and subscribe so that you can get updated on the latest in consumer tech. Till the next one, we done take it, now you go.